Okay, so 84 degrees today, 10 degrees above average. So average is in the mid-70s. We're going to go below average, though, because this cold front coming through the area is going to bring some cooler, dry, sinking air down from the north. We've been as warm as 91 back in 1954. So here's where we're going. We are warm today, 70s, 80s. What's going to happen overnight? We're going to drop down in some spots into the 50s as that cooler air moves down behind that cold front. Look what happens for a good couple days. For about 2-3 days, we cool down, but we'll start to warm up as we get closer to St. Patty's Day. But then for St. Patty's Day, another boundary is going to come down, and we're going to cool down again. So 2 cool downs in 1 week after really being around 90 degrees, really on and off since Valentine's Day. Here's our dew points. So that boundary is starting to knock these down, wringing out the moisture. So humidity levels, moisture levels, dew point numbers going down, but they'll start to increase again later in the week. We'll start to see a return flow out of the Gulf. For now, this boundary will start to knock down the moisture content in the atmosphere. So we have this cold front pushing through. We have boundaries, or storms, pushing in from the west. All that movement, that tugging, changing the atmospheric pressure, yeah, that's allowing for our winds to spike up. We're seeing 25, 30 mile per hour wind gusts. We could see over the next several days 15, 20, 25 mile per hour wind gusts. All right, here's our boundary. Here's what's going on. It's pulling through. It's going to continue to push out over the coast this evening. Then the cooler, dry, sinking air is going to pull into the area. And what's that going to? Yeah, it's going to cool down our temperatures. But just like that, more storms are pushing in from the west, even as high pressure comes in to control our atmosphere. So yeah, we'll have some sun, but we also got some moisture pushing in. It's going to be fighting the high pressure. It's going to be fighting that push down effect on the atmosphere. So the rain, yeah, maybe a limited number of raindrops coming through the area due to high pressure trying to oppose or trying to ward off that rain, trying to do its thing with those storms. But here you go. Here's our other future tracker showing some showers here and there. But again, you can pretty much count the raindrops coming down. A couple heavy bands of these storms look to move through. So yeah, we could have but look how quickly they move through the area. Just very brief periods of showers, very scattered in nature. Some spots, maybe not even seeing a drop of rain. Here's our marine forecast. So water-wise, 82, but strong winds, seas occasionally at 9 feet. That's going to keep our bays on the rough side. So overnight, 61. Clouds will be on the increase. We'll be seeing winds gusting around 25 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, look at this. That's the high, 68. Yeah, the front knocks us down with all that cool air under mostly cloudy skies. And then looking ahead to the rest of the week, we slowly warm up. Look at Wednesday, up to 74 degrees. Then Thursday, 77. But another cold front comes through the area, starts to knock us down again. Look at St. Patty's Day, only a high of 64, and we're looking at rain chances. And then look at Saturday and Sunday, right around 58 degrees. For more weather news and sports, you can go to our app. That's at crossroadstoday.com. That is free with any Android and iPhone.